So there's full guts, and then there's half guts, and then there's like refresh. And so I want to call it refresh, but it's kind of a gut. We had this used to be a long wall for that really cuts this place off, right? So you have the dining room space versus the kitchen space in this nice little tiny hall. So what we did was we knocked down the wall so we can create this open space here, and it leads into the kitchen. And so when you walk into this kitchen, understand this isn't a house that was built in 1901. So I cannot say this is a refresh per se, because we have to redo electrical, we have to redo the piping in order for it to be considered great. But the reason why I call it a refresh is the cost of this budget is very, very low. I have peel and stick tiles for the floor, which is wood tiles. I got great appliances on sale after, like the Black Friday sale, so it's really nominal. And then what we have here is we're going to create a cutout and a pass-through so that we can still have the entertainment space without really knocking down this wall. So we really are doing, while we're doing a lot of the work that you cannot see, the feeling that you'll have is with the work that you can see, which is the appliances, the countertops, and the space opening up. We're still going to do these lights, the can lighting, right? The recessed lighting. And we're going to have a nice little central fan here. So this will be bright and airy. You see how dark it is now? That's how it was in the kitchen before anyway. We're going to make it open so the light can come through here and we can flow into the space. So this is more of a semi-open concept, but I like zones. And I wanted to make sure that this zone really is one usable or utilitarian, as well as comfortable and as fun. So I can't wait for you to see what we do next.